Hey guys, what's happening? Mr. McCullough here. Apologies, I can't be there in person today. I have some Microsoft stuff going on right now for pretty much the whole week. But today is pretty much just laying out an assignment anyway, so that's what I'm going to do real quick here. If you look at the course calendar, then you'll see that the assignment is the Polygon Cube Challenge, which is described in pretty good detail with this link. So I won't go there. Let me just run it for you so you can see. It's pretty straightforward. It's just a graphics program and you run it. And I gotta drag it up so it's visible. And look at that. It's a 3D shape. It's a cube. Make sure it's a cube as you draw it. And it's a 3D shape that you draw with two-dimensional tools, right? And the trick to this is using graph paper. So this is me once again urging you to do things the right way, to sketch this out on graph paper first. In fact, a big portion of your grade will be drawing this out on graph paper, identifying each point. So essentially every corner that you see here, you'll need to label with the X and Y coordinates, and you'll submit that as part of the assignment. There it is, the two things: submit image, should say image on graph paper, and submit the code. Additionally, 2 points of the assignment are based on designing your own color. We went over that last week, so just remember you have, when you generate a new color, you have 3 parameters that you need to use, and those represent the R, G, and B values, red, green, and blue. With that combination, you can generate all sorts of colors, and I provided a resource. Be sure to check this out, the RGB color wheel. Okay, cool, it's coming up. So what is this? I don't really, okay. All right, what kind of color am I looking for? I want something of the yellow, orange variety, like that. Okay, well this color right here is showing me the RGB values right there. So I'm like, okay, this is the color I want, and then it gives you the numbers. And maybe I want to take it to a darker place. All right, and there you have it, a new RGB value. So you can just kind of pick your color and then use those RGB values within your program. There you go. And it is a requirement, I think I said this, it is a requirement that you use, that you make your cube be a unique, not predefined color, just so you get a little practice doing that. What else is there to say? Let's look at a happy face. I have 2 happy faces in so far, but they're sad because there's only 2 of them. So please, if you have not submitted, please do so. Here's what we have so far. Mark and Justin, thank you for submitting. And very nice. Got a red face and a gray face. God makes men in all colors. So you see it, there's 2, and we're looking for 3 more. So please, guys, get those in. If you get them in anytime today, let's say before like 8 p.m. tonight, there will be no penalty because I do want to get these in. Apologize for the backlog on grading for the Good World stuff. It's been a busy time here at the McCullough household. I will get to those probably this weekend. So apologies, but I will. They will be looked at. You will get credit for them. Don't worry. What else do I need to talk about? So some of you may finish this. Some of you may find this Polygon Cube Challenge relatively easy. So let's take a peek at what's coming up in case people want to get going on that. The Open-Ended Graphics Challenge. So this is your opportunity to use the graphics tools available to you to generate some sort of image. And if you're thinking about making a game, then maybe this is a chance to sort of set up what that screen might look like using graphical tools. Just one idea anyway. On Monday, I will go over how to insert images like GIFs into your project. Well, there's a link here if you want to get ahead on that. But let's look at the Open-Ended Graphics Challenge. Why don't you just open up? There we go. (2018). All right. I don't think the 2020 update is going to be significant. There are some requirements just to make sure we've gone through all the tools. You will need to use a string, a line, a rectangle, an oval, a polygon, several colors of your own design. Beyond that, what you draw is up to you. Use your imagination. There will be extra credit for those drawings that are particularly elaborate and impressive. And don't underwhelm me. I'm giving you basically a full week. You'll have a full week starting Monday to do this assignment. So I am expecting something impressive. Please don't just do the bare minimum. You can also include an image. And again, we'll show you how to do that. But just make sure it doesn't occupy more than 20% of your screen. And here we go. First step is going to be to sketch out your diagram on graph paper. If you're doing something elaborate, you really can't do that without drawing stuff out first. So please do so. When will that be due? I have not typed it in yet. Let's say that this will be due on the Wednesday following next Monday. So again, this is just a sneak preview. You don't have to do anything yet, but if you finish the Polygon project and you're interested in searching ahead, then you can. And of course, you can take this in a lot of different directions. Here's my buildings program. You might remember I showed you this. It generates new random buildings every time, which is pretty fun. Notice I've got this fade here, the skyline. If you want to know how to do that, you can ask me. I got random stars. Just as an example, right? This doesn't have to be, it doesn't have to be a childish looking drawing that you're doing with graphics. You can make some things that are kind of cool and sophisticated. So shoot for that. See what you can do. All right, I guess that's all that I need to share with you. Again, apologies for not being there. If you need help, book a session with me using the link. I will be free or flexible anyway later this afternoon and at various times throughout the week. So schedule with me and let me know. All right, peace.